Adidas plans to sell Reebok. This has been a thing that some have speculated on for a while. Reebok's been having a difficult time. Meanwhile, Adidas, on the other hand, they've been having a great time. They've been blowing up in, a variety of markets. And they're starting to say, hey, look, we think Reebok would be better on its own. We feel like maybe we're the ones holding it back. They bought it 15 years ago and paid $3.8 billion. That was in 2006. Sluggish performance has led to repeated calls from investors to dispose of the brand. They're looking for around $1.2 billion. What do you think, Will? You want to turn around Reebok or what?
I thought with the UFC deal, they were doing okay.
Yeah.
But apparently not.
Apparently not. They've shrunk a number of times here. Let's see what it says. Reebok's net sales fell 7% in the third quarter 2020 to $488 million, which is not nothing. Like, there's a company there for sure.
Mm-hmm.
You make half $1 billion in sales. The problem is it fell as much as 44% the preceding quarter. So the numbers don't look good for the future on it. Now, what happened with Nike and Adidas that keeps them near the top? They keep cutting the deals with the right names.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, who does Adidas have? They have Pharrell. They have Kanye. I believe they got Beyonce. And Nike, we don't even need to talk about. Nike got everybody.
Mm-hmm.
So if Reebok, if I'm buying Reebok right now, they got Messi. These are mostly soccer players over here, but I apologize, football players. Sheesh, get it together, Lou. Get it together. Yeah. They see, as far as basketball is concerned, it's not down to 14, 15, and then the NFL comes in after that. Either way, it's been tough for Reebok. Mm-hmm. They got to cut these deals, and they started to cut some of these deals. They did a Cardi B deal.
Oh.
I don't know if you saw this. A Reebok Cardi B. I don't know actually what they put together, but they're trying to put a focus on women's apparel. You know, people like the nostalgia and stuff like this. Play up on a kind of classic looks. Like, that's a classic Reebok look. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Make it loud. So maybe things can turn around, but either way, it looks like Adidas doesn't want to be the one to do it. They're saying, somebody please take this off our hands and you go do the thing you got to do with it. Because we're too busy over here. We got a booming business, and we feel like more can be done with the brand. So we'll have to wait and see. But I have positive memories with the brand, you know?
Yeah.
I remember the pump stuff was the coolest thing when you were a kid.
Uh-huh.